We're going to try to show you today a little bit of how we do online scoring. One of the most important things about doing scoring on the water is not to rely on it entirely. So here we have a regular check-in sheet that's used for marking down the times and the check-in boats as we go out there. These are, you can print these out from the Documents tab right on the score on your race setup. So we'll get back to scoring in a little while. Thanks. Well, our guy with the Bill with the paper is recording them online. At the same time, we can catch up with them and check boats in individually here on the scoring tab. We're on the scoring tab for this race, and we had Magpie check in a second ago, and we had Casarina is here because they're race committee. So it's very easy just to click that in. In a little while, we'll start filling in the information about the races. We decide what the courses are, is going to be, and we actually do know what the start times are likely to be. Because we do a 5-minute rolling start, so I can start getting those entered as we go. We'll be back with more. Crazy Ivan just checked in cruising, so I can click on the R there and change them over to the cruising class if I can hit the right button. The other thing that's nice about the software is in ORREZ racing, the ratings here are all based on the course type. If I change the course type, eventually the ratings will change. Or the wind speed, which is set up here, looks like we're going to be in for a light night. See, the ratings change automatically. The ratings are all automatically uploaded into our system, and they change as needed. So there we go. Looks like we're going to have a medium night. We don't get to decide that till later. And all of our beer can racing is on random leg, so that sets the ratings back to the correct rating automatically. True. Okay, we're doing finishes now. We're moved to the in-process tab, which is where you do the finishes, and the boats are coming around. We've got Bill calling the line here in a second. The next boat will come third. One of the neat things you can do is hit the now button when the boat crosses the line. And so I'm going to zoom in on static.
Static, right? Yeah.
All right. Of course, they're doing the paper thing over there, which is always important. Old school. Old school. Very important. And here we go. The static. It's a little dark out there. It's the last race of the season on Wednesdays.
2, 1. 7:19:46.
Right. That's as simple as that.
7:21:11. Okay.
Well, I'm hitting them all right on. But the interesting thing is, if you need to change them, you just click on the number. This screen comes up, and you can just back up and change the last second number without any problem at all. It takes a few seconds to do. As long as you have time before the next boat. Go ahead. Okay, we're finishing the last boat now.
7:41:28.
So we're all set there. So one of the things you got to do is hit the complete button over here on each fleet. It allows you to select which fleets actually completed the race, so that some don't and some do. So now they're all complete. We can go to the preview tab. The preview tab is going to show us what the results will look like to the outside world without showing it to the outside world, so we get to check them ahead of time. So you can see on the preview tab, I'm going to turn it this way, that we've got the finishes all set. Everything looks pretty good. I checked the times. I'll do one last check before I put it in preliminary against the paper copy, but I'm pretty sure we're pretty close. When it goes to preliminary, the users can see it. So we'll get that underway before we get the engine started and the anchor up, and we're all done scoring for the night. Very good. Thank you for watching.